I'm in the market, and it's very nice. They've got meats, cheeses, vegetables, restaurants, root turkeys. Oh my goodness. All these fresh foods you're not used to seeing in America. Everything's so processed there, you know? Oh, they got fresh fish. Everything is very fresh. Fresh fish. I'm actually looking for fruit and vegetables, which they did have in the entrance, but I just wanted to look around a little bit. And they sell spiders.
Tenemos hormigas chicatanas, saltamontes, hormiga chicatada, mañana de chocolate, paleta. Tenemos león, tigre, búfalo, avestruz.
Muchas gracias. They have very interesting things here. A lot of insects. I think I'm probably going to eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables while I'm here. Because I'm having trouble finding places to eat here in Mexico City. And to be honest, when I have eaten at a restaurant or upstairs from the hostel for breakfast, it hasn't been very fresh. So I think I'm just going to look around and get some bananas and some other fruit like grapes, cherries, things like that. Maybe avocados. These look really good. I just finished my shopping at the market and I got quite a bit of fruits. A very large bag for 210 pesos. Actually, it was 200 pesos. He took 10 off for me. And so now I'm going to head back down to the hostel so I can drop off my food. I just hope I'm going in the right direction on the right street. So in Mexico, they are wearing masks most places. So I had to buy a mask on the entrance. And I'm not sure how much it was because I don't know the money system very well. But I gave him a coin. So I'll know next time to bring my mask when I come back down here to the market. So heading back down to the hostel. There's a lot of little shops around. It's very nice. It's like walking back through time, you know, where all the little families had their shops. They could just make their living easy, you know. When I went to the hostel, I paid cash, and I didn't even get a receipt. And they had to handwrite me one because I asked for one, just on a little piece of paper with pencil. So it's very different here. Slow paced and back in time, which is not a bad thing. It's actually kind of nice, you know. It's more freedom. people have more freedom here than they do in the United States. In the United States, the government regulators have their hands in everybody's business. Gotta pay to work, gotta buy licenses, pay to drive, this and that. It's just constant. Just constant. Like you have no freedom. Just about got run over by a car. I need to pay attention to what I'm doing. There was no traffic light. So technically I wasn't being irresponsible. I just didn't know. I was following the other people that were walking down the street. So anyway, I got out early this morning, so it wasn't really too hot. It's about 10:30, maybe 11 now. After I take my fruit back over to the hostel, I'm going to maybe go to the park or go to one of the museums or one of the other historical attractions. So I should be back over at the hostel in about probably 2 minutes because the market is very close. It's literally a 4-minute walk. I've been pretty good at picking excellent locations when I go out of country for good prices. So last time, actually I shouldn't say that I never stayed at a hostel before. I stayed at one when I went to Denmark a long time ago, and it's just I didn't stay in a dorm. I had a private room, and that was a really good price, and it was really wonderfully located, right in the center of everything, where you could get to the metro station and all the places that you needed to get, all the tourist attractions, right? This is good for me too, having all of the, places to see, the museums, the markets, and the parks nearby, because, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I had pretty major surgery recently. So I really have to kind of gauge how much time I can spend walking and how much I can actually do, because honestly I get tired pretty quickly, and so I haven't been out with friends from the hostel or out on a group because I don't want to burden anybody with my getting tired or achy or anything like that, because it's only been 12 or 13 weeks since I had that major surgery, and even though I'm healed, I'm not completely back to normal. So, and I am quite fragile still from being in bed for so long. I was in bed for 2 months, a little over 2 months really. I mean, I got out of bed, but I couldn't do anything, couldn't lift anything, couldn't really go for long walks or anything like that. So there's that, right? Okay. Alright, so my landmarker for the hostel is the History Museum, is actually right across the street from it. And this little vegan cafe is downstairs. So I can see the umbrellas for the vegan cafe, and that just kind of clues me in that I am almost back to my hostel. Okay. crossing the street. I think safely. All the people have been very nice around here. Helpful. I just used Google Translator to help me when I was at the market because I just really couldn't communicate. But you know, as much as I don't like Google and their stronghold on everything, I do appreciate their technology because it certainly is first rate. I just wish they were more ethical and community oriented, that's all. But that's another topic for a different time. Anyway, back up to the 5th floor to drop off my fruit. Whew. I gotta pause when I'm coming up these stairs because it's 5 flights of stairs. They had an elevator, but it looks like it broke down like close to 50 years ago. Oh. Yeah, there's no climbing up any pyramids for me. That's not gonna happen. These are the stairs. Somebody coming down them right now. I think they actually have apartments that they rent out in the same building. This is what I bought for 20 pesos, which is about $12 US. And this is what I'm having for lunch right now. And then I'm gonna go explore the city some more. Oh, yeah. Oh, is this it? Oh. Oh, yeah, this is it. Nice. Well, there's no guard here saying that we have to wear masks, so. Wow. So pretty, the stuff that they have. So I'm touring around the market, the artisan market, and it's literally 2 minutes from the hostel. You can see all the beautiful handcrafted puppets and purses. This lady is weaving. It's beautiful. So we're looking for tote bags. What's the price on those?
300.
300?
Ese de nudos, los de atrás, los que son lisos, 250.
This is a really big market. And I want to shop. But I also don't want to, you know, weigh myself down with things that I have to take on the plane. I should get my daughter some earrings.
¿Vestido?
They've got copper and they've got nice linen dresses, wool rugs. The quality is amazing. The prices are not what I expected. I expected cheaper prices. These are more Western prices. So just be aware that if you're going to be shopping, you're going to be paying around the same as you would in America or Canada. So for example, shoes, $40, a tote bag, $24, a dress, probably like $60. Beautiful copperware. This is really a beautiful market, and it has a really great restaurant over here. I finally found a place that has food. Woohoo! So now I am looking for the hostel again. That was a really cool market, but I didn't buy anything. I might get something right before I leave here. So guys, there are markets everywhere in Mexico City, and the two markets that I just showed you are literally 2 to 4 minutes walking distance from the hostel I'm staying at. So you can get meats, cheeses, fruits, vegetables, and then you can head out and get clothes, bags, jewelry, souvenirs, and things like that. It's been really fun being in Mexico. This is probably hour 35. So technically this is just my second day in Mexico City. Beautiful weather. So I'm back at the hostel and I'm taking a break. It's actually starting to get dark. It's like 8 o'clock at night, so I'm gonna sign off and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!